Hello, I am Ocean, member of the EFPO team, and this is a video to show you how, as a member of the EFPO team, you can properly use the deployment Kanban board on Jira. This semester we are working on the version 2 of Effort, and the product owner is Dr. Masoud Sajjadi. To begin with, when on the page, you can see that the board is separated between the different projects team. To avoid confusion, another column was created for pull request opened to indicate whether a pull request has been opened or not for an issue that is dev complete. So as soon as the dev team creates a pull request and moves the story to the pull request open column in their active sprint board, their work for that story is done. And the work of the EFPO team starts when a story appears in the pull request open column in their deployment board. Therefore, whenever you start testing a user story from the pull request open column, you then move it to the UAT column.
During UAT, regression testing is operated. I am referring you to 2 videos where you can see the entire process of regression testing, which are in the description of the video.
If all the tests pass, see the other video from our playlist to know how to properly test. You can then move this story to the pre-production column.
In pre-prod, our goal is to make sure the feature we test respects every acceptance criteria and is functioning properly. You can see the full process of the pre-prod testing in the video I am sharing in the description of the video.
If the story passes the pre-production testing, it can then be moved to the verified column.
If an EFPO team member finds an issue with the story at UAT or pre-prod, or if the PO finds an issue at verified, you are supposed to create one or more bug issues, assign the bug issues to the original developer of the block story, set the story to be blocked by the bug issues, and put the story in the block column. Once the bug issues are caught up with the story will be removed from blocked and will go back to where it was before, and the process continues. You can find the proper way on how to create a bug issue with the link I shared in the description. It will take you to another of our tutorial videos. Finally, if everything works perfectly, the PO will move the story to the validated column. At the contrary, he will move it to the block column as stated before.
This was Ocean from the EFPO team, and I showed you how, as a member of the EFPO team, you can properly use the deployment Kanban board located in Jira. Thank you for watching.